टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली साऊथ आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू मेक lassi, that is plain lassi. So for that we need 400 grams of curd, thick curd. Okay, so 400 grams. Then sugar, if sugar is added, little bit of milk, very little of milk, some crushed garnishing cashew nuts and cardamom powder. Okay, so let's add a thick curd, milk is around like half cup, and sugar as per sweetness, how much you want. So 4 teaspoon and some ice if you want some chilled. That's it. Let's now blend this. Let's serve this. See. Enjoy. Thank you so much.
And here it is ready, homemade plain lassi. Thank you.